village just opened, so I'm hoping that there's not too many people, and I'm hoping there's a lot of good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along and we'll see what we can find. If you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I do these thrift with me's quite often now. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to mention I'll be posting a major try on thrift haul from this video as well as my previous one that's already up. So if you haven't seen it, make sure you see it because there will be a lot of gems that I'll be sharing with you very soon. I started off by going into the jacket section and I found a lot of really cute jackets. I don't need very many at this point, like this leather one is gorgeous, but I already have a brown leather jacket. This black leather one I was looking at because I like the kind of almost corset-like lace-up details, but you'll see in the try-on later in this video, it was quite big on me. This gray jacket, or silver jacket really, as well as the next one, this one, were incredible. I could not get over this color. I love the color. Then I decided to move on to the tops, and I didn't find very many. Like this sweater top I thought was really pretty, but a little bit too much pattern in it. It was a little bit too much going on for me. I prefer more simple pieces that are more versatile, so I moved on to the skirts. There were definitely some really nice wool and plaid skirts which are perfect for fall, but I already have enough, I think. Even though fall is here and winter is coming up, so that's mostly what I'm shopping for, I did go into the dresses section and I found this baby fat romper, a jumpsuit. I don't know, I don't wear either of them personally, but I thought some of you might enjoy it, so I just wanted to share that. But I did move on to the shoe section, and this is where both the thrift with me and the haul that's coming after this just get really good. First I found these incredible baby blue Coach kitten heels, and they were leather, they were beautiful, but they were way too small. And same with these silver ones, unfortunately. But I did also find these incredible brown leather heels, and they had kind of that thicker tread, which I love, as well as these black kind of platform wedged ones. I did try these brown leather heels in front of a mirror. I just tried them on with socks because I actually really like that kind of sock and heel look for fall as well, so you'll see how good they look coming up. Okay, these next shoes some of you will probably love and some of you will probably hate. Probably most of you will hate them, but I was really into this kind of bubble clog look. I know I've seen them online. They're by Simon Miller. You've probably seen them on Instagram, to be honest. And these ones just kind of gave me that same feeling, except a little bit more granny chic, possibly. These are really cute too. Too small though, they're 6. These next shoes had a really cool shape to them as well. I feel like they're a little bit different for your kitten heels, but they felt a bit more summer appropriate. And then I moved on to looking at the boots section, and this store actually had so many different cowboy boots and like cowboy boot style shoes, which was amazing, especially for this time of year. These purple suede knee-high boots were my favorite. They had incredible like lime green stitching and all these little details kind of around the patent leather there, so those were incredible. And I found these brown cowboy boots which were really pretty as well, kind of your classic pair. And then of course I moved on to the purses and bags, and if you've seen some of my other videos you know I have a lot of purses, so I was being pretty selective. I found a couple black ones that were very just classic, simple, versatile bags. I love that first one, the kind of patterned texture cut out through it. And then I found this 9 West bag, which was a very kind of classic bag. Even though I love my neutrals, I found a couple really cool color pieces as well, such as this kind of lilac purple like tweed skirt, I guess. I also found that Ralph Lauren yellow sweater, which was pretty. At this point I realized that the purple shoes that I was so obsessed with were unfortunately way too small on me. Again, they were like a size 6.5. And then I found this really cool blue kind of faux leather vinyl style belt. I found this Nike bag as well, which I thought might be a nice kind of sporty bag. And then I wanted to try on a couple of the jackets that I found as well. Like, I really loved the button detailing on this one, but the jacket overall didn't feel like very great quality, so I had to try it all on. For those of you that are not into the sock and heel look, this is how they look without, and I think they're just as amazing. We can't forget about the vest section. Of course, I went to check that out as well. I only found a couple of pieces here, like this blue kind of striped vest, but it was a little bit too Beetlejuice style for me. This Jacob Annex kind of nylon vest was pretty cool, but not something I needed right now. Then I moved on to try a couple of the other pieces on, such as this nylon black blazer, which is very classic and simple. I found two of these kind of cropped vests as well. This one's gray, and this was just by Seduction, so not anything like super special, but I really like the shape of both of these, and this is the black one as well. And then of course I went to try on this jacket, which maybe some of you have been waiting to see. I know I was waiting to try it on. I couldn't wait to see how it fits, and of course it had a very kind of vintage look to it. It was a bit different for me. And then I tried on the leather jacket, and you can see it's pretty boxy on me, a little bit too big from the front. I think I liked it at the back more. This is me saying goodbye to these beautiful boots. And here's a better look at these kind of marshmallow bubble clog granny chic shoes. I thought they were really cool, but they were pretty dirty, so I didn't want to try them on, and for like $18 I was worried that they wouldn't fit. I feel like this video really covered a lot of the items I looked at, but just so you know, I ended up purchasing some that I did not show you, so definitely keep an eye out for the major thrift haul coming up, because it's a big one and it's a really good one from my past couple trips. So I picked up some really amazing pieces, and I'm excited to share them with you. Hey everyone, so I just got back in the car. I know you can't really see me, the steering wheel is a bit high, but yeah, I found some really amazing pieces. I think I picked up a couple really good gems, so I'm very excited to share the pieces with you guys in the haul portion. I don't know if it'll be part of this video or separate. We'll see how long the thrift with me portion is. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Let me know what other type of videos you'd like to see. You know I'll keep doing thrift with me's and stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one.